हमारी दीवारों पे नेरोलैक एक्सेल नहीं लगाएंगे, उन्हें कुछ तो लगाना पड़ेगा। और एक्सेल वाले घर, उनके लिए तो बस पेंट ही काफी है। कांसाई की जापानीज टेक्नोलॉजी से बना एक्सेल।
Someone like Mr. Amit Shah, believed to be a divisive leader.
Discuss it other time when we have
we have no such intimate knowledge that you may be having.
So can we please stop telling lies over and over again?
Have all secular parties failed the Muslim voter?
हम गुजरात के मैदान में नरेंद्र मोदी के खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़े, क्या सूरत हो, क्या बड़ौदा हो.
That's not true for
No
Gujarat.
backing of Muslim
That's not true
community
for
at all.
Gujarat.
So
everywhere, wherever there is good governance, Muslims support the BJP.
This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV 24/7.
तेरी खुशी से बढ़कर मेरी खुशी है कहाँ.
A mind is a terrible thing to waste. If you educate a girl child, you educate a nation. That's the bold statement with which the UNICEF observed its second International Day of the Girl Child. This year's day will focus on innovating for girls' education, equipping her with knowledge to take on life. Messages and gestures of goodwill were made across the world. A Ugandan woman played UNICEF's solar-powered digital drum, a rugged computer kiosk built into an oil drum.
Hey, I'm Katy Perry. Join me and UNICEF.
American singer and songwriter Katy Perry pledged solidarity with girls in a Madagascar school that was destroyed by a cyclone and had been recently rebuilt. And back at home, this is how Priyanka Chopra reached out her hand.
हम चाहते हैं कि गर्ल चाइल्ड जो है उसको सेव किया जाए, क्योंकि जो भी औरत होती है वो जन्म देती है, राजे महाराजे जो है इसके पेट से पैदा हुए, तो हमें इनकी पूरी इज्जत करनी चाहिए गर्ल चाइल्ड की.
We are running for the cause to save girl child.
I'm running because the cause for this is Save the Girl Child.
Very good cause, and we all are running for this cause only.
I run many miles, many marathons in many different Indias. What doesn't change with the landscape is the stories of the state of our girl child. Abused, unloved, bonded in child labor, abandoned to die. Let's make a vow today. Let's unite for India's girl child.
The girl child in India is among the least safe in the world, especially those between the most vulnerable age group of 1 and 5. They survive, if at all, between the thinnest margin dividing hope and hopelessness. We, the people of India, have let this happen. We, the same people who also have it in us to bring in change.
ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे.
as they run in solidarity and support, there are many girls who are matching their stride, creating with their own lives milestones for the cause.
मुझे मीनू दीदी बहुत अच्छी लगती है। मैं मीनू दीदी जैसा बनना चाहती हूँ। मुझे बहुत पढ़ाई करनी है।
19-year-old Meenam Bansal is a huge inspiration for girls of Himatnagar village in Madhya Pradesh. She's a girl and a Dalit and from a very poor family. Factors that could have handicapped her in many ways but for her parents' support. She's the first girl in the village to have passed 10th standard. In fact, the first girl to go to school.
मैंने ये सोचा कुछ भी हो जाए, मेरे ब्रदर है देशराज, मैंने उनसे बहुत की थी, भाई पढ़ रहा है मेरे साथ ही है, तो मैंने कही थी वो भी मेरे साथ पढ़ रहा है, मैं पापा जरूर पढ़ूंगी।
Despite the good intentions, money is hard to come by.
हम आगे पढ़ाना चाहते हैं लेकिन हमारे पास इतना पैसा है नहीं, गरीब मजदूर आदमी कहाँ से पैसे की व्यवस्था कर पाएंगे। तो बच्ची क्या है कि 10th तक यहाँ पढ़ लेती हैं, इंटर तक पढ़ लेती हैं, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ के कुछ अंतर पड़ जाता है, थोड़ा पैदल चल के जाना पड़ता है 3-4 किलोमीटर, तो और 7-3 बच्ची जाती तो चली जाती, लेकिन अकेली रहने के बाद ये 10th में मतलब हमने बैठा ली।
Whether Meenam will be able to overcome these huge obstacles is to be seen, but it is small crusaders like her who strengthen our resolve to fight for opportunities and rights of the girl child. Small businessman Bhanu Prakash Saxena is also a social visionary. As part of the Bitiya Club in Bhopal, of which you can be a member only if you have one girl child instead of multiple daughters in the quest of a son, Bhanu is a guiding star. Bhanu not only chose to have one child but underwent sterilization after his daughter Sajal was born in 1997. Bhanu and his wife Sunita, a school teacher, then left their established life in a village of Guna district, facing many physical hardships, and moved to Bhopal city for Sajal's education.
जी प्राउड तो होता है बिकॉज मार्क्स भी अच्छे आए हैं और अब इतने अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं, तो इतनी अच्छी सोसाइटी मिल रही है, इतनी अच्छी सराउंडिंग होती है, तो फ्रेंड्स का एक एटमॉस्फेयर भी अच्छा मिल रहा है एज कम्पेयर टू देयर।
Sajal passed the class and exams with 90% marks last year, and her success has changed many opinions.
पंचायत में भी मतलब हमारा जो है कि मैं वहाँ था नहीं, तो हमें बहुत लोग मिलते थे, पढ़े लिखे लोग भी मिलते थे, गांव वाले भी मिलते थे, और बिटिया का महत्व समझ गए, और अब तो वो ये बोलते हैं कि सक्सेना जी की लड़की भोपाल में पढ़ रही है, नाम रोशन करेगी।
Sajal aspires to be an engineer and very soon will start going for special tutorial coaching. In her success, we'll always see parents who fought many battles to set an example. Varsha Deshpande, the loved sting doctor of Maharashtra Satara, a prosperous district in the sugar belt, yet notorious for illegal abortions of the girl child. As the sex ratio deteriorated, Varsha started the Lake Ladki Abhiyan, an organization to fight for the protection of the girl child. Varsha's target became those unethical doctors who routinely assisted couples to determine if their child in the womb was a girl, and if so, aborted her for a hefty fee.
Many of our girls, women, daughter-in-laws from our SHG came forward to help us to do the stings, because if you have a pregnant lady, then only you can plan the sting, and only if she is there is not enough. She should come to the court, she should stand in the box, she should become a witness, and she should tell the whole story which she experienced.
6 साल पहले जब पहला स्टिंग ऑपरेशन हमने किया तो हैंडीकैम लेके हम गए थे, एक्चुअली बैग में रख के पूरा ट्रैप हम पूरा प्लान करते हैं, कम से कम कभी-कभी 20-20 दिन भी ट्रैप प्लान करने के लिए लगते हैं।
Varsha and her team of volunteers can safely claim success. After 12 years of hard work, they've been able to contain the rate of sex-selective abortions in the area. Nearly 50 doctors have been brought to book by Varsha's team or stings inspired by them.
तेरी खुशी से बढ़कर मेरी खुशी है कहाँ।
The issue is one of education. It is about changing the mindset. It is about changing the perception of women in our culture. It's going to happen through education. That really is the future. The mindset of men has to change. You have to understand the value of having women. Your society cannot function, cannot stand without women. People have to understand the importance of that. So that really is about changing a male mindset.
तेरी खुशी से बढ़कर मेरी खुशी है कहाँ?
Our girls, our pride. Khushi, a Vedanta initiative brought to you by Vedanta. Meet NDTV's Ombudsman, Soli Sorabji, former Attorney General of India. He'll investigate any complaints you have about NDTV's content.
To ensure that the reporting, coverage of news is done in a fair manner, accurate manner, without any political stance, and in a responsible manner.
Contact him at ndtv.com/Soli.
NDTV has maintained the correct norms of fair and accurate reporting, but one can never be complacent. So many people listen to NDTV.
NDTV cares about accurate, fair journalism.
InverSmart, new inverter batteries from Exide.
तो से नैना जब से मिले, तो से नैना जब से मिले, तो से नैना.
90% bikers agree Shell Advance makes the engine run smooth. Shell Advance keeps your bike at its best. Because when your bike is in a good mood, you're in a good mood. No matter what. Shell Advance. Enjoy every ride.
क्या क्लैरिटी है, कंफर्टेबल भी.
चलो इतना लेट कर रहे हो तुम. 1 मिनट. यंग लग रहे हो, मुझसे भी यंग.
यंग तो तुम भी हो.
3 घंटे मैंने बिताए पार्लर में और यंग दिखो तुम.
नया कलेक्शन था और प्राइस तुम्हारे पार्लर से कम.
टाइटन आई प्लस का नया फ्लेयर कलेक्शन ₹995 से शुरू.
टेररिज्म का सामना आज पूरी दुनिया पे और मैं भी उसके सख्त खिलाफ. पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है ना कि आप किसी भी आम आदमी को उठा के जेल में डाल देंगे.
गुड मॉर्निंग अंकल.
गुड मॉर्निंग. राज.
हाँ.
वो कल रात के पार्टी पिक्चर में मुझे टैग मत करना.
कूल.
अंकल 10 मिनट में ऑनलाइन मिले, रेस करेंगे.
बोलना मत. माय यूजर आईडी शुमाकर 21 है. इसको बोलते हैं बैक स्ट्रोक. Raj.
Hi uncle. What's up?
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
Hello.
तेरी खुशी से बढ़कर मेरी खुशी है कहाँ?
As the NDTV Vedanta campaign gains ground, many voices have come together to shape it and lend it momentum. Many of them are people like you and me, and there are the significant others who have in them the power to change.
Minimum 1 million girls are being killed every year. The exact figure is about 1.2 million from last count. That means almost 20,000, tens of thousands every day. For example, if I kill my son-in-law, it's a murder. But if I burn my daughter-in-law alive, it is social evil. So by calling female feticide a social evil, you overlook not only the organized crime involved in it, but collusion of the government and the large funding NGOs. But most importantly, you trivialize the sheer brutality and cruelty involved in first identifying a fetus as a boy or a girl, then giving a supari to a doctor to kill that girl, and then saying that, oh, these stupid women, they don't know the value of a girl child, that's why they're killing. Okay. Girls are not doing because people don't know the value of the girl. Girls are dying because this is a facility available. It's a service being provided by a very highly organized and very well professionalized profession called the medical profession.
6 million people were killed during the Second World War, the Holocaust, and he's saying 1.2 million girls are being murdered every single year.
Every day 1,600 to 2,000 girls are eliminated, which is a huge number.
in the womb. And I feel that why the law from our experience is not being implemented is everybody who's implementing the law is actually sharing the mindset that girls are disposable.
Year after year, the ratio between girls and the boys is coming down as a ratio, which is absolutely unfortunate. It's very important for us if we really want to prosper, if we really want to make our nation great. This is the cause. I thought I can't do everything, but this is the one mission I'm taking it to my heart, taking it forward to make sure no child on this, especially in India, to deprive of food, especially the girls, to deprive of food, education and the health.
In our country, sadly, girls are often the ones who are pulled out of school early for sibling care duties, domestic chores, getting married too early and all of that. That has to stop. And right now we're seeing a very encouraging trend of seeing more girls coming into school, more girls continuing to college. Frankly, you educate a boy, it's a great thing, you've educated an individual. But if you educate a girl, you actually educate not just a person, but a family. You transform a community and you help society to progress.
Actually, the problem is men in India. That's the key to the problem, not the women. I've been doing opinion polls for 25 years. 25 years ago, I used to ask a woman voter, who are you going to vote for? And she'd say, whoever my husband tells me. Now I ask them, and they say, he thinks I'm going to vote for who he wants me to, but I'm not going to do what I want to do. I'm not going to vote the way he thinks. And I'm looking forward to 10 years from now, when the man says, I'll vote the way my wife tells me to. That will be the change. All economic studies have shown investment in women does two of the most important things. It gives you the biggest growth rate boost, and it creates greater equality. So if those who are focused on growth, this is the way, invest in women. And those who are focused on equality, this is also the way. So it covers both. So the key is, men are the problem, women are the solution.
I want everyone to come forth and give ideas, not only give ideas, participate in any programs that may happen which will make people aware of the issues of the girl child.
We are one of the youngest countries in the world, and our children are our future, and the girls are a very important part of that.
अगर लड़कियों पर हो रहे अत्याचारों के बारे में हम बताने लगेंगे, अगर लड़कियों पर हो रहे अत्याचारों के बारे में हम बताने लगेंगे, तो पत्थर भी आंसू बहाने लगेंगे, तो पत्थर भी आंसू बहाने लगेंगे। न जाने किस भीड़ में खो गई लड़कियां, न जाने किस भीड़ में खो गई लड़कियां, जिसे ढूंढने में ज़माने लगेंगे, जिसे ढूंढने में ज़माने लगेंगे।
ऐसी और रज़ियाँ होनी चाहिए।
Sometimes that change is direct activism and efforts on the ground. Sometimes that change is directed at the soul, prose and verse, editorials and reports, aiming to change mindsets.
एक सपना टूट गया, आँख खुली तो रूठ गया, सो जाऊं क्या मिल जाएगा वो जो हमसे रूठ गया।
तेरी खुशी से बढ़कर मेरी खुशी है कहाँ, छुपा लूँ आंचल मैं तुझको कि तू छू ले जहाँ। आंखों से आंसू चुन ले, हाथों से तारे गिन ले, आंखों से आंसू चुन ले, हाथों से तारे गिन ले, तेरा चेहरा भी मुस्कुराएगा। सपने भी सच होते हैं, दिल से अपने होते हैं, सपने भी सच होते हैं, दिल से अपने होते हैं, तेरा सपना पूरा हो जाएगा। थाम ले इन हाथों को, खुशियां भरते दामन में, इनका जीवन भी संवर जाएगा, इनका सपना पूरा हो जाएगा। तेरी खुशी से बढ़कर मेरी खुशी है कहाँ, छुपा लूँ आंचल में तुझको कि तू छू ले जहाँ। मेरी खुशी है कहाँ।
There is no one thing you have to keep in mind when you say girl child. All you have to remember is you wouldn't have been born. You wouldn't have been there, you know, if there was no mother there. So for the continuity of a generation, for continuity of sanity, it is important on the male counterpart to preserve and protect the female counterpart to the best of their ability. It's not that they cannot protect themselves, they cannot look after themselves. They can very much. At least let's not make it difficult for them. And that is my appeal to all the men and all the women who work consciously or subconsciously against this, and there's a gender bias that happens. Whatever it is, we need to be reborn as far as how we look at gender bias in this country. No rhetorics, no jingoism, no words for it, and only our actions will tell us, and that's all will define the character, our character, my character, your character, and the character of the nation as a whole. So if we have integrity and we have self-belief, we have to really believe in what NDTV is doing, and with your Project Hope and with the girl child and the gender bias thing is very important. Right?
तेरी खुशी से बढ़कर मेरी खुशी है कहाँ।
Our girls, our pride. Khushi, a Vedanta initiative brought to you by Vedanta. MCHI Credai presents Property 2013. Visit the Real Estate and Housing Finance Exhibition from 17th to 20th October at MMRDA Ground, Bandra Kurla Complex, Mumbai.
मनु, तू भी खा ले। ये क्या जंगलियों जैसे खा रहा है? छी! मनु, डॉक्टर से पूछना तो, तू मेरे पास रह सकता है?
हाँ माँ।
मनु?
हाँ माँ, आराम से। Hey. Hi. How are you? माँ कैसी है? She's fine. उनको बता दो। नहीं।
मनु?
हाँ माँ।
एडवांस्ड कैटरैक्ट ट्रीटमेंट एट वासन, क्योंकि हमारे लिए सबसे पहले है आप। वासन आई केयर, द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट आई केयर नेटवर्क।
For a waterful experience, SS Bath Fittings and Accessories.
Sensitivity is a short, sharp sensation that you feel when you're exposed to anything hot or cold. I recommend Sensodyne. Sensodyne should be used twice daily to provide everyday protection against sensitivity.
Now get a free Sensodyne toothbrush worth ₹50 with every 80 grams Sensodyne toothpaste.
मैं सिर्फ अपने हिस्से की खुशियां जीता हूं, किसी और के हिस्से की नहीं।
Supernova by Supertech.
लो भाई, लो, आप भी लो।
ये क्या?
Pollution mask. I'm not wearing it.
यार इसमें तो मेरी शक्ल ही नहीं दिखेगी।
क्या करें? टीवी की पिक्चर में पोल्यूशन होता है ना।
Pollution in the picture?
अपने टीवी के सिग्नल से पोल्यूशन हटाओ। Demand to have Videocon D2H असली HD.
For the cleanest, freshest, clearest pictures.
अब एयर में पोल्यूशन होना हो, ऑन एयर नहीं होगा।
Technology is never about what you see on the outside. It's not just cold metal wires and circuits. It's about giving people access to a healthier life so that they can be there for their loved ones.
आप अगर शीशे के सामने ऐसे ही बैठी रही तो मुझे तो कुर्ते पजामे में जाना पड़ेगा। वैसे किसके लिए इतना सोच रही हो? किसको जेलस करने की तैयारी है?
It doesn't discriminate between people, no matter who they are, where they are from, young or old, starting out or settling down. Technology opens its doors to everyone and tells them that there is hope. That's what our advanced cancer diagnostic scanners do every day. For more and more people in India now, technology is hope.
बीवी का बर्थडे भूल कर देखो एक बार, वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी भूल कर देखो। लोन की ईएमआई तो ड्यू डेट के पहले भर देते हैं आप, लेकिन सर्विस टैक्स याद भी रहे ना तो लापरवाही। भर देंगे यार, भर देंगे, बाद में भर देंगे। अरे बाद में भरने वाले भाई साहब, बाद आ गया है। सर्विस टैक्स VCES का फायदा उठाइए और भरिए अपना सर्विस टैक्स बिना इंटरेस्ट, बिना पेनल्टी के। अगर आप चाहें तो इंस्टॉलमेंट में भी भर सकते हैं। सस्ते में निपटा लीजिए मामला, बाद में महंगा पड़ सकता है। फिर न कहना बताया नहीं।
VCES सर्विस टैक्स भरिए, नई शुरुआत करिए।
Seven out of 10 new vehicles choose Exide. And you? India moves on Exide.
बेबी ये जल जाएंगे ना इस साल? अरे गुस्सा होने की क्या बात है यार? अब 3 साल से एक ही लाइट लटकाओगे तो यही होगा ना। थक गए यार ये, देखो ना। और फालतू खर्चा नहीं करना है, इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी ना कि तुम नई लाइट से नहीं लाओ। वो शर्मा की लाइट देखो, वो पूजा की देखो, क्या झिलमिल झिलमिल। दिवाली है यार।
तो तुम ले आते।
मैं लाया हूँ।
अच्छा
हाँ।
कहाँ है?